Hello everyone, I am Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Dear students, from a long time I have not posted any videos, so today I thought that I should bring something very creative and interesting for you all. Today I am going to present one art integrated project which is of English. This project is created by my son Gaurav Best. Today I'm going to present his creativity here so that you can get some more ideas in this art integrated project, that how you can make your art integrated projects more beautiful, more creative and more informative. So let's start with the cover page. You can see the cover page is looking so beautiful. Just at the center of this he has taken a printout in colored form, in which he has written art integrated project. Subject he has also mentioned, that is English. And the boundary of this art integrated project, the cover page, he has decorated with beautiful flowers. These flowers have been created by him only. He has used some old pieces of papers, craft papers, tissue papers to uh, create these flowers. Later on he colored all these flowers. Now let's move towards the first page of this art integrated project. Here he has mentioned the school name along with the logo of the school, and under it he has mentioned the state, the two states which are linked, Uttarakhand and Karnataka. Here he has written his name Gaurav Best. He is in class 10th A. Under it he has written the teacher's name as well, to whom he is going to submit this project. Now let's start with the topic of this art integrated project. Here he has written the topic folk dances of Uttarakhand and Karnataka. Just at the edge of this page, okay, one thing I should tell you, that he has used colorful pages. Okay, these pages you can get from market, and he has used these pages to make it more beautiful, to make it look more attractive. He has made these flowers using craft papers, and just at the edge of these pages he has drawn pictures using pencil color. Now in this page he has explained the state Uttarakhand along with the state map, and here he has written the introduction of this state. Now let's move towards the next page. In this page he has started just presenting the folk dances of this state. The first dance, that is the Jhoda dance. Here he has written something about it. Under it he has just pasted one handmade sheet, that is of maroon color. Just at the top he has pasted some of the pictures of the Jhoda dance which he has collected from internet, and the pages are decorated with pencil colors. He has tried a lot. Now in the next page he has just introduced one more dance form of Uttarakhand. Now you can see how beautifully he has made it, and he has shown a little bit more creativity here. Usually he is not interested in doing all that, but here he has tried a lot to just put forward his creativity in front of everyone. Sorry. Now again one more dance form of Uttarakhand he has explained here. Now you can see how beautifully he has decorated his project. He has just collected some of the pictures from old books, newspapers as well as magazines. Here he has started introducing the state of Karnataka. With this he has written something for the state which is linked with Uttarakhand. Now in the next page he has started presenting the folk dance forms of Karnataka, and he has again pasted one of the picture of that dance form, and here he has written something for Yakshgan, the dance form which is related to Karnataka. You can see here this flower he has made using a tissue paper, and boundary of this page are again decorated in the same way he has decorated the previous pages. The another dance form, here he has written about this dance form. This is simple creativity he has shown with the available material, which can be easily arranged. Here again a new dance form, another dance form, sorry, not new, another dance form he has just explained. Now here is a picture he has just created using black chart paper, and in this he has just introduced one more dance form of Karnataka. So I think this is the last page of this project. Hope you got an idea about how to create art integrated projects regarding any subject related to any state which are linked together. Hope you liked it. We'll meet soon with some more interesting videos, maybe from your textbooks, maybe from something else. So till then, if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Do watch, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.